Vyasha. I am in class 5. I am speaking for Independence Day. Good morning everyone. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. India became free from the British rule on 15th August 1947. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August every year. It is our national festival. It is a public holiday. The Independence Day is celebrated with great joy. The Prime Minister unfurls the national flag from the Red Fort in Delhi. The national flag flutters atop government offices and buildings all over the country on that day. Schools and colleges also have flag hoisting functions. Entertainment programs and exhibitions are organized. On this day, freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, etc. are remembered. People celebrate by busting crackers at night. All important buildings are decorated with colorful lights. There is a feeling of pride and patriotism all around. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My name is Kavya Tanmay Kumar Purohit. I am in 5th standard. My school name is Ambalal Balshara. Dear respected principal madam, teachers and my dear all friends, we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of every year. On 15 August 1947, our India got independence from British rule. This day is celebrated as the national festival. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters. We feel happy on this day. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizens of India. We listen to it on social media. This day teaches us about the power of unity. On this day is the national holiday in India. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide independence to India. In schools and colleges also celebrate this day and distribute sweets. Indian Defence Service conduct a parade on this day. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. We should respect our nation. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am talking about Independence Day. Please listen carefully. Happy Independence Day. My name is Sam Bhavin Kupar Patel. My speech Independence Day. Speak English. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of every year. This day celebrated as the national festival. We feel happy on this day. Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. On 15 August 1947, our India got independence from British rule. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters. Prime Minister delivers his speech to citizens of India. This day national holiday in India. This day teaches about power of unity. We should work hard to build our country. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India. In school and college also celebrate this day, distribute sweets. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. We should respect our nation. Jai Hind.
Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. My name is Arya. I am studying Standard 5 in Ambalal Balsada. I am here today to speak a few words about Independence Day. Independence means the state of being free and not controlled by another person or country. This year we are celebrating our 76th Independence Day. India got Independence Day on 15 August 1947 from British rule. So we must respect all of them. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Vande Mataram is our national song. Our national flag, Tiranga, is the symbol of our national flag. Independence Day is National Festival of India. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of every year. It is national holiday. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort, New Delhi. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and others. In school and colleges also celebrate this day. We should respect our nation. I love my country very much and I am proud to be Indian. I like to say one line, East or West, India is best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents and all of my dear friends. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. This day is most important day for our country. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of every year. On 15 August 1947, India got independence from British rule. We celebrate this day as the national festival. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. We feel happy on this day. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizens of India. We listen it on social media. This day teaches about power of unity. On this day, national holiday in India, many freedom fighters lost their life to provide independence to India. We remember We should work hard to build our country. The Indian Defence Service conduct parade on this day. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became our first Prime Minister of India. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. In our school and colleges also celebrate this day and distribute the sweets. We should respect of our nation. I love my country very much and I proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind and thank you.
Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today on 15 August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thought on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our freedom Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted their entire life on Independence Day. Today, today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent day. Thank you, Jai. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. My name is Aisha Tiwari Krishna Kumar. My school name is Ambalal Balsara. I study in 5th G. Today I am here to present a speech on Independence Day on 15th August. It is celebrated to remember the day we got freedom for the British in 1947. Celebrated to remember the Independence Day is a national festival of India. Sacrifice their life. Sacrifice their life for freedom of our country. We should remember the freedom